Is it really possible for a tiny tweak to your morning coffee routine to ignite your metabolism and put your body into full fat-burning mode for the rest of the day? Well, I think you'll find the answer to be yes. I couldn't be more proud or excited to introduce you to JavaBurn, the world's first and only 100% safe and natural proprietary patent-pending formula that, when combined with coffee, is scientifically proven to increase both the speed and efficiency of metabolism to deliver unparalleled fat-burning results while instantly boosting your health, energy, and well-being at the same time. There's never been anything even close to JavaBurn ever attempted, as myself, my team, my entire family, and tens of thousands of everyday women and men can attest. Electrifying your metabolism, torching off fat from your problem areas, enjoying incredible all-day energy, reducing hunger, and improving your health could not be any simpler, easier, or more automatic. Just enjoy your morning coffee with an instantly dissolvable, tasteless packet of JavaBurn and let the revolutionary science of nutritional synergy do the rest. That's really all there is to it. Only JavaBurn allows you to know what it feels like to have both parts of your metabolism working in overdrive for you instead of against you, to have your fat-burning furnace burning hotter than ever before, and to have more fat and calories being shuttled into it to be burned, an unbelievable position to be in. JavaBurn is 100% all-natural, vegetarian, non-GMO, gluten-free. It has no added fillers, preservatives, artificial colors, or stimulants of any kind. And it's proven to be 100% completely safe and has zero side effects. JavaBurn is manufactured right here in the USA in our state-of-the-art FDA-approved and GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices certified facility under the most sterile, strict, and precise standards. Plus, we also pay to have every single batch tested by third-party labs to ensure the formula and every packet meets our industry-leading standards for the highest quality, purity, and potency available. JavaBurn is totally tasteless and dissolves instantly into your coffee. And it works just as well regardless of what kind of coffee you drink or what you like to put in it. Right now, today, you can get a 30-day supply of JavaBurn for a simple, one-time fee of just $49. Yes, just $49. Yet, before you order, know that research shows it's best to take a packet of JavaBurn with your morning coffee for at least 90 to 180 days to experience optimal results. The science is clear. The longer and more consistently you take JavaBurn, the more you will benefit. So, to make sure you experience the most impactful, life-changing results possible, I'm going to provide you with a special opportunity to secure 180 days worth of JavaBurn or 90 days worth today at astounding one-time discounts, which will save you significantly more money on top of today's already special low pricing. That said, I'm only able to guarantee the special pricing for today or until our limited inventory runs out. The attractiveness of these special buy more and save more packages is causing us to sell out of our current stock way faster than anyone could have ever anticipated. So, if these major savings are still available, I'd highly recommend taking advantage of them while you still can. Also, I need to be super clear about a few things. You'll never be able to buy JavaBurn cheaper than today, and JavaBurn will never be available for purchase at any other website or store. We're only able to offer today's incredible pricing because we've eliminated all middlemen and agents and have partnered directly with the industry-leading manufacturer so that we can ship directly to you right away. Furthermore, rest assured, this is a one-time payment. There are no hidden charges or subscription fees whatsoever. I've always hated that stuff as much as you do. So, provided JavaBurn is still in stock, you'll see a table below this video with 3 money-saving options for you to choose from. Select your package, and then click on the Add to Cart button to proceed to our 256-bit secure order page that looks like this. Then fill in your order information and confirm your order on our 100% safe and secure order form, and we'll get your package sent directly to your door right away. And listen, if trying JavaBurn doesn't turn out to be the best decision you've ever made, or if you change your mind for any reason whatsoever, just let us know anytime in the next 60 days, and we'll issue a prompt and courteous refund right away. Our industry-leading customer care team and myself are extremely easy to get a hold of and will always be here to support you no matter what. I really want you to have this 60-day, no questions asked, 100% money-back guarantee to make trying Java Burn an absolute no-brainer for you. There's simply no risk to you. Select your money savings package below, and I can't wait to hear how Java Burn works for you.